Remove the 3 screws on the right side of the cartridge. Remove the end cap. It's not necessary to remove the spring and the arm. Note the position of the components, in case you remove them. Remove the fill plug. Clean out all the remaining toner from the cartridge. Do not breathe the toner dust. Fill the cartridge with toner. Replace the fill plug, and check for leaks. On the right side plate, there is a chip. The chip must be replaced every cycle. Remove these 2 screws. Remove the holder of the chip. Remove the screw, and separate the chip from the holder. Install the new chip with its screw. Reinstall the chip holder into the side plate. Install the side plate. Reinstall the 3 screws. Check the closing and the opening of the toner outlet system. The shutter must remain closed. And the work is done.